What day is it now, Graham?
Saturday.
So we've been here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Day 5.
Day 5.
Day 5 in the Big Brother house. And what have we done today? So Graham's been under here. We've annoyingly run out of welding gas, so we can't finish what he's been doing. Gosh, Graham, your weld's so good I can't even see what you've done. There we go. So there's a bit he's done, and he's been putting this outrigger. It's a bit dark in here, sorry. This outrigger panel in. If I come around the other side, you'll see it. There it is. Started to weld it on and then ran out of gas, which is a shame. So we've had a little sweep up and a tidy up. I've been under here all day, well, a couple of hours maybe, wire brushing off the axle. Yes, I didn't wire brush diff because I'm being lazy, because I know I want to change the diffs, so I didn't have the heart to clean it. So I cleaned off the axle, the back plates, brake pipes, checked all those. Everything looks good. I'm just going to slap a bit of Hammerite on it, really. You know, it's not a proper restoration. It's one of my famous freshtorations. Just enough to make it look okay and last a few years. And Graham's been busy just putting these bushes in. I've gone for poly bushes. I bought them about 10 years ago, hoping they'd improve the ride. I never actually fitted them. So one by one they're going in. So we've got one in here. We're going to have them on the shock absorbers, both the leaf springs on the rear. Dad's already put in the poly bushes on the front shocks. And years ago, when I first bought the poly bushes, I had somebody put the poly bushes in the front of the leaf springs. But I think, yeah, they haven't been changed here, which is a bit rubbish. Never mind. Yeah, after today, I think most of the back end will be coming back together. Get the springs ready, the bushes in. It should be a case of waiting for my paint to dry, I guess. Oh yeah, I've got to paint the welding I did yesterday as well. Poly bushes are in the springs and in the chassis. Got a coat of Hammerite on the axle. The diff piece here, I'm gonna try and paint that white, like the military vehicles for the convoy mode. Yeah, it's looking nice and clean. I've never seen it look so good under here. Whoopsie, forgot to put the camera on. Yeah, we started putting the springs back in. So the way we did it was we got a bit of wood down there, put the spring on it, and lifted this end up first, put that in. That slipped in there quite easy. Managed to line it up with a little pin, and then once it was in the first bit, we could knock it through and then put the nut on. Plenty of grease, of course. Yeah, once that was on, we then put the shackles on to the spring that was on the floor. One side is threaded, one side isn't. Decided to put the threaded bar at the back, so you have to get the bolt through the spring and thread that through, and then there's a nut as well, so lots of threadedness. And then we brought this up and again bolt through. That's threaded, so you have to sort of push and turn to get that to start on the thread of that. Once that's on, then there's a nut there as well. You shouldn't tighten these up until the car's on the floor and it's all sort of evened itself out a bit. Next stage is putting these U-bolts on. They go over the axle with the shock absorber plate here. So that's what we're doing next. So both springs are on, Axle's resting on this one, but not on that one yet.
Not sure. You box.
Oh, pardon me. Burping on camera. I feel sacrilege putting this on this nicely painted surface. But needs must and all that. How did that go in there? Didn't you hammer that one out? I think you did. I wish you had a rubber mallet.
So do I.
I ruin all my paintwork.
I never mentioned it.
There it is.
There's one at the house.
It's down there, sort of. Sort of. Ah, there we go. That's down there. I've got all mud in the paint. My lovely paintwork. This isn't doing anything now, so that can bugger off. Or do you want to leave it until it's done? It's alright now, isn't it? I don't think it's going to do it. Oh, there we go. That's gone. That's... Gosh, just think the wheel can go back on. Nearly. Nearly. Look at these holes. These holes don't do anything, do they?
No. 19 millimetres, I think they are, aren't they?
I don't know. Do you want to take a nut? Take a nut. Wow.
When it's in right, it sits nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah, sort of. One's pointing a bit forward, but I'm sure we'll manage. 19, yeah. So, yeah, it's that easy, isn't it? You just bring the plate up. Didn't grease it up. Got to grease it up. Greasing my threads in the darkness. Now you can just see the back of my head. Fully lubed. No comment from Graham there. Yes, that's interesting.
There you go. Something there.
Yeah, but it's not in the holes. Oh, they go in. They go in. Is there a bit of thread coming? Let's get one started. That dirty old diff sticking out. Well, they're on there. We just need a bit of tightening up. This is exciting, isn't it? I'm going the right way.
Yep.
Upside down. So the axle is now on the springs with all the U-bolts done up, and we were just about to put the wheels on and we sort of forgot, you know, a major thing that sort of goes here, that's long and cylindrical. Yeah, we forgot the shock absorbers. Bushes. They just pop in, that. Nothing special, yeah?
No, just pop in.
Give them a little squeeze.
I would. Never hurts to give it a little squeeze.
Oh, I don't know, I might lube it up a bit, you know? Lube the shaft.
5/8.
Oof. Pop. Pop goes the weasel. Nice. Exceptionally long bolt. lube the shaft fully. Probably way too much. Oh yeah, slip right in there. And it's up here somewhere. There it is. Oh, felt a bit floppy. Just go in there, I think. Yeah. There it goes. I said it was going. Oh, doesn't quite reach.
What?
The axle.
Doesn't it?
Nope.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's alright, the jack's there, it needs to go up a little bit.
Okay.
There we go. Might fit now. It's even further away, isn't
That's
it?
better.
Did you get yours on?
I've got the polybush on.
Oh, the twanging. Don't like it.
There's loads of room.
I can't get mine on.
Really?
Mine's miles away. Still is.
You're joking.
Nope.
Wait there a minute.
It's fully stretched. It's because the diff's on one side, isn't it? It must be tilting it away.
Must be.
You won't go up any further, will it? You have to get your side on and then
Oh shit.
jack it up again.
Go on, Bennett.
Nope, it's out.
I should check the spring up now.
Unless that little jack will go any further.
Hang on.
I don't think it will. Ah, another jack. Dodgy.
That's only pushing it up. There you go.
You're on it. We're on it. Got it.
Smash it.
Oh, is that your head?
Yeah. Okay, mate.
Whoops. Right. Am I going to get this split pin through easy enough? So I can't get the split pin through here.
Either side, no?
No, I can't do it.
Where is the split pin?
Here.
Alright, so we'll get it through one side first.
Okay.
Top side. You got it? No, you got to put that in.
Okay. Graham's come to ruin my paintwork. Okay. Something's happening.
Okay, you'll have to tap it through.
What with? Hammer?
Yeah.
Not a lot of room there. Turn the split pin round.
Smaller hammer.
Smaller hammer?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, he's doing it.
It's going on against the washer, that's why I want mine to.
What a pain.
Okay.
What a pain.
Give that a tap.
Hang on. Put this lot down.
Hey.
Thou shalt not be beaten. Well done. Thank you for that.
That's fine.
There we are, shock absorber in place. There's the troublesome split pin. Whew, we did it. It's back on its wheels. Fantastic. All we've got to do now it's back on its wheels, is tighten up all the nuts and bolts on the leaf springs. Because in the book it said to put the weight of the vehicle on and roll it backwards and forwards, which is what we've done. Brill. We're not finished yet, obviously, because we still have pieces missing. Oh, something went up my bum. So it's an axle stand. Whoops. Yeah, we've still got bits missing under the driver's seat there. Got to give it a bounce test. It works. Ignore the clattering, that's just the fuel tank filling it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.